Assalamualaikum, class 7, revision mensuration. Today we have to start our revision of mensuration. First question is find the area of the shaded portion in each of the following cases. It means these are some figures in which some part are shaded and some part is not shaded. So we have to find the area of the shaded portion. So as you see that this shape is a rectangle. The external rectangle with dimensions 30 meter and 24 meter. And this is a small rectangle. Its dimension is, we have to find this whole base is equal to 30 meter. So and this is 12 meter. So if we minus 12 from 30, we have find the length of this part. And this is the 24 meter. The whole length is 24 meter and this length is 8 meter. We have to find this length, so we have to subtract 8 from 24. So this is the length of this part. First of all, we have to find the area of external rectangle. So length of external rectangle is 30 meter and breadth of external rectangle is 24 meter. So we have to find the area of external rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So 30 meter multiplied by 24 meter, that is equal to 720 meter square. Now we have to find the length of unshaded rectangle. Length of unshaded rectangle is equal to 30 meter minus 12 meter. As I explained, 30 minus 12, this is the length of this part. So length of unshaded rectangle is 30 meter minus 12 meter, that is equals to 18 meter. Now we have to find the breadth of unshaded rectangle, that is equals to 24 minus 8, that is the length of this part. So breadth of unshaded rectangle is equal to 24 meter minus 8 meter, that is equal to 16 meter. Now area of unshaded rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. 18 meter multiplied by 16 meter, that is equal to 288 meter square. Area of unshaded rectangle is 288 meter square. Now we have to find the area of this shaded part. If we subtract this small rectangle, the area of this small rectangle from this whole rectangle, area of rectangle, so then we have to find the area of this part. So we have to subtract area of shaded portion is equal to 720 meter square minus 288 meter square, that is equal to 432 meter square is the area of shaded portion. Now student, part number 2, we have to find the area of this shaded part. This is the rectangle with dimensions 12 meter and 8 meter, and this is a triangle. If we find the area of the triangle and area of this rectangle, then we have to subtract the area of triangle from this rectangle, then we have to find the area of the shaded part. So first of all, we have to find the area of rectangle. So length of external rectangle L is equal to 12 meter, breadth of external rectangle is equal to 8 meter. So area of external rectangle, that is equal to length multiplied by breadth, that is equal to 12 meter multiplied by 8 meter, that is equal to 96 meter square. So area of external rectangle is equal to 96 meter square. Now we have to find the area of this triangle with base 12 meter and height. This height is equal to 8 meter. So this height is also equal to 8 meter. So height of the triangle is 8 meter. Base of unshaded triangle B is equal to 12 meter. Height of unshaded triangle H is equal to 8 meter. So area of unshaded triangle is equal to 1/2 multiplied by base into height. Base is equal to 12 meter and height is equal to 8 meter. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 into 8, 48 meter square is the area of the unshaded triangle. Now we have to subtract the area of triangle from the area of rectangle. So area of shaded portion is equal to 96 meter square is the area of rectangle minus 48 is the area of unshaded triangle. So we get the answer 48 meter square is the area of this shaded part. Okay student, part number 3 is your homework because we have to find the area of triangle. Now student, part number 4. This is the shape of a parallelogram and we have to find the area of this shaded part. First of all, we have to find the area of this parallelogram, and as we know that this shape is a trapezium. So we have to find the area of this trapezium and then we have to subtract these areas to get the area of this shaded part. So first of all, we have to find the area of parallelogram. So base of parallelogram is given the question 20 centimeter and height of the parallelogram is given the question 12 centimeter. And as we know that area of a parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. So 20 centimeter into 12 centimeter, that is equal to 240 centimeter square. Now the unshaded part is a trapezium. This unshaded part is a trapezium with height 12 centimeter and its base will be 8 centimeter because this is 12 centimeter. So this is 12 centimeter. Its parallel side is 12 centimeter and 20 minus 12, 8, that is equal to this. Because this whole length is equal to 20 centimeter and this length is equal to 12 centimeter, then we have to subtract them to find the length of this side. So it is a trapezium with parallel sides of 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So area of unshaded portion is equal to 1/2 sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. 1/2 sum of parallel sides are 12 centimeter plus 8 centimeter and height is given 12 centimeter. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12 and 12 plus 8 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter and the answer is 120 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of unshaded portion. We have to subtract these two areas. 240 centimeter square minus 120 centimeter square, that is equal to 120 centimeter square is the area of the unshaded portion. Question number 2. Find the area of a rectangle of length 16 meter and perimeter 52 meter. We have to find the area of a rectangle, and as we know that the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth and length is given. Now we have to, first of all, we have to find the breadth of rectangle, and we have to find the breadth of rectangle with the help of parameter. So length of rectangle L is equal to 16 meter is given in the question. Parameter of rectangle 52 meter is given. We have to find the area of rectangle, and as we know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is given. First of all, we have to find the breadth. As we know that parameter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So parameter can be denoted as P and 2 into a length plus breadth. Parameter is given in the question 52 meter is equal to 2 as it is. Length is given in the question 16 meter and we have to find the breadth. 2 में यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, वहां जाके डिवाइड होगा. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12 meter is equal to 16 meter plus b. Then answer is 26 meter is equal to 16 meter plus b. Then 16 यहाँ प्लस वहां जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. 26 meter minus 16 meter is equal to breadth and breadth is equal to 10 meter. Now we have to find the area of a rectangle which is length multiplied by breadth. That is length is 16 meter and breadth is 10 meter. So 160 meter square is the area of the rectangle. Student, part number 3 is your homework. One side of a square field is 12 meter. Find the cost of leveling it at the rate of rupees 2.5 per square meter. So it is a square. So the area of a square field is length multiplied by length. So it is your homework.